Well, hi, and welcome to the arrival of your new GlideCycle. It'll come in a box just like the one below, and we'll go ahead and open it up and assemble it and show you what you're likely to run into. Cindy will be our assistant, and she'll start by opening the box. And you'll see inside everything that you need to run your GlideCycle. The seat and saddle assembly with the manual. And in the manual are instructions for putting this together. Here's the saddle assembly, the base of it. And we'll just take all of the parts out and put it on the ground for now. And get everything out of the box all at once. This unit was shipped with a great carry bag. The top tube frame assembly, the rear end, oh pardon me, that's the front end, because the handlebars are attached. That's one way you can tell. Here's the rear end, nice and free. And you'll see the wheels already come attached to the GlideCycle PT model. And we have a handy pair of gel pads that were ordered with this unit, and the front and rear tubes. That's all there are in pieces for your box. I'll review that real quickly. You'll see the bag, the carry bag, and the gel pads if so shipped, the saddle itself, the manual, the saddle assembly, the F&R tubes, whoops, front and rear tubes, that is, and the top tube, a front wheel and a back wheel assembly. Now it's just a matter of taking all of the protective bubble wrap off of your unit, and we'll be ready for assembly. How was that, Cindy? Hard?
Excellent. Easy.
Okay, once you have all the bubble wrap off, you'll have a pile of 5 basic parts to the GlideCycle, and we'll show you how to go together. You'll also have a great big pile of bubble wrap for your next Christmas presents. Well, go ahead, Sin, give it a shot. Let's put this brand new GlideCycle together.
Okay.
First, we usually like to start with the front steering mechanism, as it's really pretty easy to put together. First, loosen the quick release, okay, and then put it down onto your stem. This particular bike is a shorty, so its stem may have only one hole. Snap the pin in place and close the lid. There you go. And then close the quick release by tightening it down, and make sure it's good and tight. If it's too tight like that, loosen it up a little so you have a nice clean fit. And your front wheel should be aligned with the steering very well. So sight down, take a look down the steering system to the front wheel. You'll also notice if you take it out on the road and you say to yourself, geez, it feels like it's steering funny, loosen this quick release one more time and make an adjustment to make it perfectly straight. Make sure to tighten this quick release pretty hard. Not so hard that it hurts your hand, but that you've got a good, that's it, a good, nice, snug fit, and you'll be fine. All right, and then that piece is ready to lie down.
Also,
okay, I'm sorry, we'll make sure that your brake cable is threaded up, and this is something you'll always need to do putting your GlideCycle together. All right, let's lay that piece down. And start the rest of the assembly with the rear wheel and the you'll You'll take the the rear tube, which you can always identify as the tube with a single plate on the rear. And you'll notice sometimes there's a top and a bottom, to the tube. So we'll always place the rear tube with the silver plate pointed down. Here you'll find the brake cable. We'll remove the brake cable from the tube, often sent in shipping. There you go. And by having the holes oriented toward the front, away from the brake side, in other words, the brakes are on the back and the holes are on the front, you know that you've got a well set up seat. A well set up rear tube. So we'll lay that to the side.